Hey, what's up everybody? It's another beautiful day. Today I'm going to show you how can we customize editing workspace in Davinci Resolve. I also am going to show you how to import and make a sequence in Davinci Resolve. So, without a further ado, let's jump into software and we see how can we do this thing. By the way, DaVinci is the free software. If you don't know about it, please go to the Google and just write DaVinci Resolve and you can be able to download this software for free of charge. But if you want to go more more further, you have to pay some money. Without further ado, when you open DaVinci Resolve, this is the window has to pop up. A lot of buttons you have to click on, but we don't need them. Now, how to customize our working space in DaVinci Resolve, and as well as how to import, how to create a sequence of that. In order to create a project, there is a new folder. Open the folder. We need a new project. Okay, just click a new project. The small window come up and tells you create a new project. You can give it a name, whatever name you like. I'm going to give it a Kaylee project. I'm going to click create, and this is the first impression of your DaVinci Resolve when you create your project. As you see here, there is some working space like a media cut, editing, fusion, color, fairlights, and deliver. These are workspace. If you're coming from Adobe Premiere Pro, these things are not there. Here I'm going to show you in editing workspace. This is the editing workspace and it looks at the first time, and as you see we have a media pool. This is the media pool window. We have an effect here, it's lighted, means it's active, and this is the effect window. We have edit index. Once you see these things are very white, that means they are active. So, and this is our preview window. When you import the videos, and you'll be seeing here to make in and out of your footage you want to use in your sequence. And this is going to be a project window, and you will see what you've done. As you see here, we have the mixer, it's also active. We have a metadata, it's not active, and we have inspector, also is active. Let's say you don't want, you need a very large timeline down here. What you have to do, just you see this sign here, the way to customize the working space in editing, you have to just click it here and you see you maximize your timeline. And another thing I want to show you, this when you click this button here, you just make this window here, it's very huge. Okay, the next thing, let's go and import. There is different ways to import your footage, but I'm going to show you this one. File, go to the import file and import media. Just click it here, it's direct you on your computer. Go to where you save your footage you want them to be in. I have it here, and this is my footage. Just click here and say open. It's telling me, it's giving me a warning that the clips have different frame rates than the current project. Would you like to change your timeline frame rate in the video format to match? Well, I don't want to change it. I will show you why. And I almost forget, as you see this window, you can maximize this scrolling up and down on your mouse, and if you don't have that one, you can come here and just change the size of your window you want. At the same at this side, it's the same thing, you see. Okay, this is our footage. If you want to create a new timeline, just go here. There is a new project, new timeline. You just click it here. They're telling you the starting time code. You can create your own time codes right here, and this is the number of the video track, number of the audio tracks that will be here, and you can as well customize the settings to match your the sequence you want. As you see, there are 1920 by 1080p HD. The frame rate, the frame per second is 24. So this is how you create your sequence. I want my clip to beginning from here. This one I'm going to, I'll tell you later on. I'm just place I in my keyboard, and I want it to end up right here, and I'm pressing O. This is the same as a lot of softwares. They just mark in and out points. So if I want to drag my video in my timeline, that means my sequence, you have to, there is two ways you can grab your video from here. If you created a timeline already, it's going to have to be appeared in media pool up here. So if you want to grab your only video to your timeline, just drag and drop it here. It will be in your timeline right here, and it's going to show you in this window. As I told you, you can maximize, you can minimize as you wish. So as you see, our video, it doesn't have it just came by itself without audio. Let's say I want to have audio. I just press Command C. I want audio. What I have to do is, as I'm already marked in and out point, I'm going to my footage and I just click. There is these small bars. In case you don't see them, you may come here on master and just maximize, slide this up, and you see these two lines here. Means this is the portion you mark in your preview window. So what you have to do, just click it here, hold it, drag it into your workspace, in your timeline, and this is what you will have. You have those in and out points, but with the sound as well. That's it. Today, that is the only thing I have to show you, but stay tuned. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. We have a lot of to cover in Davinci Resolve and Davinci Premiere, After Effects, and a lot of stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. See you in another one. Cheers.